Hello everyone, welcome back to the live session of Science Data Science. Today I am going to discuss with all of you the topic bowl of words and how you can use the TF-IDF as well instead of your bowl of words. So I am going to give you the layman examples today so it will make a better understanding for you. It will create the strong foundation when you should use bowl of words and when you should the TF-IDF, your vectorization method for natural language processing. So let's start without any delay. Let me share my screen. So here we go. All right. So let's start with the understanding of your bag of bowls, like bag of words. We call it also bowl words. Okay, with Python. I will explain you about the your bag of words, and then I will give you the solution as well, like how you can improve your natural language processing text analysis if you don't want to use bag of words as well. After watching this video, you will have the clear vision about these two very popular method which is going to help you in your text analysis. Okay. So now look at this. First, let's understand what is bowl of words. So why you use it, right? So bag of words or bowl of words, it is a part of your natural language processing. And when you want to convert your text into a number so your machine can understand it, then you use it, right? For example, if you have the any articles data, you are extracting the data from the PDF file, you are extracting the data from articles, and now it's time to build the model. You want to convert it into the machine learning code, right? Because machine does not understand the categorical data, we need to convert our data into the numerical form. At that time, bowl of words is one of the popular method or library from your natural language processing. You use it. Okay. So when you can use it, you can use it to analyze your text data, like you want to detect spam detection, sentimental analysis, if you want to represent the text as a number, or when you don't care about the order of the your words in a sentence. For example, if I am writing I love Python, Python love I. So these are two different sentences. And when you don't care about the order of the sentence, right, at that time you can go with this one. I will give you the very good layman example, and then we will jump for the technical example, and then we will also implement it using Python. And then I will give you the solution how you can improve your bag of words using TF-IDF library, using this one. Okay. So stay with me till the end of the video. Keep watching it. After that, if you are working with the traditional machine learning models, let's say Naive Bayes, SVM, right? Now look at this example. This is very simple example. I will try to explain it in as a layman with the very simple example. We will start. You use these kind of the things in your daily real life. So try to connect with it in with your daily life because it's a part of everyone life. So let's say you have the grocery shopping, right? You are living with your friend, right? And you are working. Both of you are a friend, and you went for the shopping, and now the shopping list is you bought milk, bread, eggs, and bread. And your friend also bought the bread, butter, and milk. Okay. So now we create a list of all unique items. When you both are at home, right? You create a unique list, not the common, like the common one. Okay. So here you and your friend all bought the milk, and then bread, egg, and butter. Now look at it in the table format. How it look like? Look at this. This is the item bought column, and this is the grocery done by you, and this is a grocery or shopping done by your friend. So both of you have bought the milk, one one. So we just say one one. One we allot to your milk and one to your friend one. and then bread. So you bought the two breads. Here you can see you bought the two breads. So we set it with the two. Okay. And then your friend bought a one bread. We set it with the one. And so on with the other one. So here we set a zero because you did not bought the your butter, right? But your friend bought it. Your friend did not bought the egg, you bought the egg. So what is this we are doing? We are just simply converting your text data into numbers. Okay, so this is like your in real life, right? You are just writing, you are doing the counting of each and every item you bought and your friend bought. You are converting it into the numbers. So technically this is called bowl of words. This means in technical language, when we have the like a list or sentences like these, we converted it into the numeric data and then put it into the machine, so our machine can recognize it and then prepare your model. Okay, now I will give you the technical example here. Look at this. So this is, let's say you have the data, you have the two document, or you can assume you have a two different sentences. Okay, so the first one is I love data science and AI. Okay, this is your first sentence, and the second sentence is AI and data science are amazing. This is amazing, right? We all know. So now first of all, what is the like the job of your this bowl of words? I will show you in the Python as well how it lists out the unique words from your document or from your sentences. Just try to understand first the foundation, like the basic concept, how it works. Okay, as I have given in the previous slide the layman example, this is the technical example. So you have this, we will find out the unique words of this. I love. So this is a unique word because I love does not exist in your sentence one. And then data science. Data science exists in both. So we will pick up this one. Or you can assume any one out of it. Okay. And then we have a and is here, and is here, but I will write it down one time because our goal is to just pick up the unique vocabulary from your sentence. Okay, and then we have a AI are amazing. So now we will, you are, when you apply the bowl of words on that, it will convert your this vocabulary into numeric. Look at this on the right side table. So this is the, this is not the item board, this is the just the mistake I have typed. This is your sentence bowl of words. Okay, so this is the sentence one, sentence two. Okay, so look at this here, I. So this is a I unique word. We will write down all unique words which fetch out using your this method, bowl of words. And then we are assigning it how many times this each word is occurring your each sentence. You have a two sentence here. Sentence once and sentence 2. Okay, so I is coming one time in your first sentence, but when I look at the sentence 2 or bowl of words will look at your second sentence, it will not find I keyword here, so it will assign it to the 0, and then it will find the love word. This is coming only sentence 1, so it's a 1, this means true. Okay, and then here it's a 0, and then again for the data, data keyword is coming in both sentences. So it is saying 1, 1 for both and so on. So this means when your unique word lie in a sentence 1, it will make it true with the 1. And if it also exists in your sentence 2, it will also make 1. But if it does not exist, then it will say 0, true and false. Okay. So it is converting it into the numeric data. If you have a little bit knowledge about the your let's say conversion of your categorical data into numerical, we use one hot encoder, we use get dummies, right? This is the same thing, but in the bowl of words we are not using those library. That is only for your categorical data. When you have the mixture of features, you are applying the other algorithms. Here we are talking about the natural language processing. At that time it is the same thing. It is just if the word is present in your sentence, it will mark it as a 1. Simple. And if it does not present in your sentence, it will mark it as a 0. So this is the just job of your bowl of words. Okay. It is not, it does not care about the like the order of sentence. It does not care about the grammar keywords like is, and, or, no. It is just picking up the unique words and just assigning the numbers to it. If it exists, one, otherwise zero. So this is called bowl of words. Okay. And now, if we move ahead here, look at this. So this is the, where is the bowl of words used in real life? So it will make more sense to you when you should apply this. So here you use it for the spam detection. Like if an email contains many words like free, win, money, credit card, right? We got sometimes the fraud emails. So how it is saying you, it's a spam, it's not spam. So this is the algorithm which is working behind it. It will pick up your whole, like the article or the text written in the email as a like, and then doing the analysis of each and every word in your email, and then assign the, like the weightage, 1 or 0, 1 or 0, something like that. According to that, it will help you to detect this is a spam or not. Now you are maybe thinking how it will decide. By assigning 1 or 0. If many words are keep on repeating in your whole file, like let's say if there is a free is coming 50 times in your email, okay, then it is a higher weightage. Okay, and it is a like a this one, like a giving the more weightage to the other words. Maybe there are some other words as well, like money, win, right? Based on that, we trained our model in something way. If this is going to be happen, this is counted as a spam. Okay. And if we talk about the sentimental analysis, this is a very good other example. Detect it is a good or bad, right? Topic modeling, this is finding the pattern in your large text data sets, like a news classification. This news belong to which kind of the news, right? And then search engine matching the keywords in query to relevant to the documents. So this is the real time cases which I am sharing with you. And then only the limitation of your bowl of words is it ignores the word order, as I have given you the example in the start of the session. If you are writing I love Python, Python I love, it doesn't matter to your bowl of words. It will just count it as a two different sentence and then give you the unique word and assign 1 or 0 to each word. Okay, so that's why this is a biggest drawback. And large vocabulary size, if we have a million of words, the table gets huge, right? Because it is not ignoring anything, it is just counting the unique words and assigning 1 or 0 to according to your data, right? And then can't capture the meaning, doesn't understand the synonyms or context. This is the biggest advantage. Okay, so now the solution is we can use the TF-IDF to focus on important words. Okay, and you can also do the word embeddings like a word to vector, BERT for deeper understanding. But today I will give you this solution. Okay, and then we will move ahead now. Here we go. Okay, so this is, I will come back here again. Now we will jump on to the here practical file. Okay, now look at this. Here we have import the package from sklearn.featureextraction.txt. This is the inbuilt your package. We use it for the, like when you are going to apply, convert your text data into the numeric data. Okay, and extract the text or the words from your file and import count vectorizer. Okay, this is the library. And now look at this. We have the sample data. We have a document 1, document 2, document 3. I'm treating it as a 3 document. Okay. So this is, we have taken the AI is amazing, AI is powerful, and AI is the future. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Okay. Now you will declare the instance of your counter count vectorizer. This is create a bag of words as I have shown you in the slide. You can again connect it with your example of your shopping list. You bought, your friend bought, right? Again, there are three sentences, or you can connect it with the second slide example as well, right? And then convert the text data into numerical transformation. What we will do, first we will declare the instance of your this one, and then we are fitting and transform. This means you are fitting onto this instance and transforming the data into numerical form. This means 1 and 0. When you will see the output, you will have a more deep understanding. This is we are passing the documents we have. Now we will use the get features name out. This is, it will extract your all keywords with unique keywords from your these three sentences, and then it will print it into array. Now look at this output. So it bring out, take out all unique vocabulary or elements from your three sentences. It bring out AI exists on all in three, right? And then amazing and future is learning. If something is repeating, it is not taking like typing it two time, only one time. Unique keywords. This is the like the job of your bowl of words. Okay, and then look at this, how it is making the word matrix. Here it is saying 1, right? So if we talk about it with the AI with the 1, right? So then it is assigning 1 to the first sentence because AI exists in this. And then if you consider here the next one, this is AI in the second sentence, it is coming 2 times AI. So that's why it say here 2 because it is coming 2 times. And then in the next sentence it is coming 1 time, so it said 1, right? So now it doesn't care how many times your each word is happening, occurring in your sentence, it is just assigning the 1. If it is coming 1 time, 1. If it is coming 10 time, it will assign 10. Okay, so this is the kind of disadvantage of bowl of words. Okay, but this is how the bowl of words work. Okay, I hope it makes sense to you how it works, because I try to give you the first layman example, right? And then we are looking at it, how it implements, how it is working at the back end. Okay, in simple terms, you can understand it. The job of bowl of words is only and only to find out the unique words from your sentences and then create a matrix of like your unique words from your article or from your text or from your book, from wherever you are extracting the data. Then count how many times that unique word is happening, occurring in your sentences. Okay, then it will print the count, total count of that words. Okay, so this is very important. This is the main, like the job of your bowl of words. Okay, so now I will tell you how you can improve it. It will create a problem for you in case your same word is happening 100 times in your 50 times in your like the paragraph or the text. What will happen in that scenario? When you put it into the machine, your model may go when biased, because it is giving more weightage to your that word, right? Because 50 number, 50 like the number has a more weightage, has a big magnitude than the one. So this is the disadvantage of bowl of words. Okay. To improve this, you can use TF-IDF. This is your term frequency. Okay. Your identify vectorization method. Okay. We can use it. So again, you can import this library TF-ID vectorizer, create an instance of this one, fit onto your instance of your this one, and then it will also get out the unique words from this. First it will do this thing, but here is a big difference. Now look at the result. Here it pick up the unique keywords from it, but it is assigning the weight based on the importance. It is assigning the importance or the weight number, or you can say score, okay, to your each word belong to your each document. If you look at this AI keyword, so AI keyword is coming here, so it give it the weightage 45%, and it is again repeating in the sentence two time, so it did not say 50 or 90%, right? It is giving the same weightage. So this is the biggest advantage. So you, if there is a less chances your model will not get biased. Okay, and 27%, so it is decreasing the importance of the keyword because it is happening many time in your data. But this was not the case with your bowl of words. This is the major difference, how you can overcome to your that problem, and when you should apply the bowl of words, when you should not apply that, and when you should use this one. And you can check for the each word's output. This is amazing, 76%. And now if we look at the is, look at this. So it is again decreasing. So this means if next time you have a fourth or fifth sentence, this will more decrease the importance of this word. Okay, so this is more reliable, more chances to get the correct result using this one. Okay, so this was the like about your bowl of words and TF-IDF, and this is a major difference both of with word being in bowl of words. All words are treated equally as we have seen, right? It is not assigning any specific weight. It is just saying if it is occurring one time, one. If it is occurring 10 times, it will assign 10. Okay, it is just counting it, right? But in the TF-IDF, weighs words by how important they are in the document relative to the entire corpus, entire your paragraph. Okay, so it is assigning the weight 45%, 10% decreasing as it is occurring many times. And then frequency focus purely on the frequency of words. It focuses on both frequency and their importance across all documents. Okay, and then handling common words is the and get the same weight as important words like AI Python. Because but in TF-IDF, it is like reducing the weight of grammatical words which we use to connect over sentences. But in case of bowl of words, it doesn't care about that, which is not important for us. For it doesn't matter for us is the and, right? We are using it. It's a just conjunction word. We are using it grammar words to make over sentences. Over, for us, important is AI and Python keyword, right? I love Python. It doesn't matter I and love. It matter only Python, right? So this is the biggest difference. But TF-IDF will help you to reduce the weight of common words. Okay. And then mathematical formula, simple words count. And then consider both term frequency, inverse document frequency, IDF. Okay. So this is very important, and this is ideal for simple text task. Okay, when word frequency alone is important, it doesn't matter for you, like you are not giving the importance to the grammar order at that time. For the small data set, you can use bowl of words. But if you really care about the grammar and order of your sentences, then you should go with the TF-IDF. Okay, so now this was all about for over the sentences, like the bowl of words and TF-IDF, and what is the difference between it. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment in the comment box. I am happy to help you. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next live session.